There is a question which is normally asked in the SSB as to why do you want to join army? Uh, there are various answers that we get during the interview about this question. Some say that they want to join army because of they have a passion to join defense forces. Some say they want to serve the nation. Some say because of the government job, perks, and I got a kind of different answer in one of the interviews. A candidate said because army officers get beautiful wives, so that was one of the reasons because he wanted to join defense forces. So anyway, let's analyze it a bit. If you say that you want to join because you have passion for the defense forces or for the army, then the question arises that if you have passion, what have you done about it? Did you join NCC in your childhood, in your school days? Because NCC is the first opportunity where you get to wear a uniform and you kind of behave and look like a person who's wearing a uniform. That's closest to being in the defense forces. So, or did you appear for your NDA examination or no? Suppose you are coming in a graduate entry for SSB, you've not done your NCC, you've not given NDA paper, and then you say I have passion for the army, then it is not justified. And if you tell me that you want to join because it's a government job and it's a pensionable job and there are a lot of perks, then I can sell you any other profession. If you want to join a government job, you can join a railway department or you can join the postal department. They are also government jobs. Your job is secured, you get all the perks, or join civil services for that matter. So that reason will also not work. To my mind, there are two reasons because of which a person should be joining defense forces. One is the love for the uniform, because the defense uniform you cannot get in any other organization. That you will get only in the defense. Now, second is adventurous outbound activities. If you love and affection for adventurous outbound activities, then defense forces provide you ample opportunities for that, right? I say that you can divide the entire population in two segments. One, those people who want to join a job which is 9 to 5 days a week with Saturday, Sunday off, air-conditioned environment, then obviously defense forces is not meant for you, or you are not meant for the defense forces. Second kind of people are, they say that desk ka job na ho, baki bahar kuch bhi kara lo, jungle, pahad, everything will do. So if you are that kind of a person who loves the adventurous outbound activities, you have love for the uniform, then obviously defense forces is meant for you and you must join it. So, but there are people who are coming for graduate entry. They have not done their NCC. They've not appeared for NDA examination, which is quite okay. There is nothing wrong in it. But then don't say that you have childhood passion to join defense forces. You see, you can change your mind. Even when you come to graduation, maybe you've interacted with certain army officers, you've seen them behave and conduct themselves, or they came and gave a talk in your college, or maybe you saw a movie, you got impressed, and you made your mind that you must join defense forces, and there you are. But then do not say that you have passion right from your childhood. Always speak the truth, then you don't have to tell any lies, you don't have to remember any answers, because you're speaking the truth. And if genuinely you are not, you've got reasons other than these two, then I think defense forces is not suitable for you. Then you should do something else. Because when I say adventurous outbound activities, then also does your PIQ form supports that you've participated in various games, extracurricular, co-curricular activities, then only you can prove that you have love and affection for these adventurous outbound activities. You can't say I have not played any games, I have not done any extracurricular, co-curricular activities, I have been a bookworm throughout my life, and I want to join defense forces because I love their uniform and I love outbound activities. It has to be continuation of your lifestyle that you want to pursue while you join defense forces. So that will help, right? So accordingly, analyze yourself, then find a suitable reason why do you want to join defense forces, and then give the answer. I hope this satisfies. That's it for today. Thank you. Jai Hind.